Hello students, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss the problems of definite integration by substitution method. Let's start exercise 4.2, fourth part. Question number 1, evaluate integration of cos of log x upon x with respect to x from 1 to 3. Here you have to observe this given integration. Definite integration by substitution method, this type is very important. See, in this example, it is integration of u upon v form, but there is no u upon v formula. So, you have to observe a given sum. See, the given sum is ratio of two functions. One is trigonometric function and other is algebraic function. But in trigonometric function, that is cos of log x, the angle of cosine function is not x or not linear, it is logarithmic. So in any angle, means in integration of trigonometric function, cos of linear or cos x is there, or sine of linear or sin x is there. Okay, but here in this case angle is not x or not linear function, it is logarithmic function. If angle is not x or not linear, that time you have to apply substitution method. Put angle is t, और ये टाइप हम इनडेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन में पढ़ चुके हैं. सेम प्रोसीजर है. यहाँ पे आगे एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आपको बताने वाले हैं, तो याद से वो पॉइंट और नोट करना है. नाउ पुट t इज इक्वल टू एंगल. सबसे पहले हम द गिवन इंटीग्रेशन को I डिनोट करेंगे. लेट कैपिटल I इज इक्वल टू द गिवन इंटीग्रेशन cos of log x upon x with respect to x. Put t is equal to log x. So you have to find out dx or dt. You have to find out the value of dt. So what is derivative of log x? 1 upon x into dx is equal to dt. Now these values, this is very important point. These values means 1 and 3. These are called as lower limit and upper limit. This lower limit and upper limit are related with x. This related with x. And here we have to change the new variable. We have to change the variable. That is, new variable is t. Instead of x, it may be t. After applying substitution method, this will be integration of cos t, and what is about dx upon x? It is dt. So you will get in this form. Means there is no x in next step, and then means in new step there is no x. Okay, but these values 1 and 3 are related with x, and after applying substitution there is no x. So you have to find out lower limit and upper limit as related to this value t, this new variable t. So that two lines are very important. When x is equal to 1, then the lower limit t is equal to, what is t? Log x. T is equal to log x here. T is equal to log x, that is log 1, and what is the value of log 1? It is 0. Okay. So the lower limit 1 become 0 in terms of new variable t. This is very important point. Again you have to find out upper limit. When x is equal to 3, see, when x is equal to 3, upper limit for x, then the upper limit in terms of new variable t What is t? Log x. Now you have to substitute the value of you have to substitute the value of x, that is log 3, and this one keep as it is. Don't find out the value of log 3. Okay, this one keep as it is. T is equal to log 3. So the given integration become capital I is equal to integration of cos of log x upon x. Here we have to write in this way, cos of log x into 1 upon x into dx. Why? Because of 1 upon x into dx is dt. Okay, so it become integration of log t into dt from 0 to log x, from 0 to log 3, from 0 to log 3. This is nothing but 0. Lower limit is 0, from 0 to log 3. And what is integration of cos t sin t from 0 to log 3? And it is very simple form. Replace t by upper limit minus t by lower limit. जहाँ पर t होगा हम वहाँ पे log 3 डालेंगे, means sin sin as it is. What is t? Log 3 minus sin 0. What is the value of sin 0? It becomes 0. That is sin of log 3 minus 0. So the given integration capital I is equal to sin of log 3. That's it. It's very simple form. Now the next question is question number 2. Evaluate integration of under root of cos x into sin cube x into dx from 0 to twice pi. Now again you have to observe this. It is multiplication of two functions, but both are similar type, both are trigonometric functions. So don't apply u into v formula. Okay, you don't apply u into v formula. Here it is sin and cos, so you must apply substitution method. Put sin cube x, means here you have to change the value of sin cube x. You have to reduce this power. Sin cube x you have to write in terms of sin square x into sin x. Because of what is sin square x? Sin square x is nothing but 1 minus cos square x, and then put t is equal to cos x. Then you will get a standard integration. So we have to assume that I is equal to the given integration. Let I is equal to given integration. Then sin cube you have to split in terms of sin square into sin x. Sin square x again you have to write in terms of 1 minus cos x. Then put t is equal to cos x. Therefore dt is equal to minus sin x into dx. Or instead of minus sin x dx, this value you can write sin x dx is minus dt. Okay, you can write minus dt also, or dt is equal to minus sin x dx. Now the next important point is you have to find out lower limit and upper limit in terms of t. So when x is equal to 0, then lower limit t is equal to cos 0 is 1, and when x is equal to 2 pi, then the upper limit t is equal to cos 2 pi, and that is also 1. Okay, cos pi is minus 1, but cos 2 pi is again 1. So here lower limit and upper limit are same. So the given integration will be capital I is equal to under root of cos x into sin cube x into dx. So it become under root t into dt, under root t into 1 minus t square into minus dt is here. Minus dt you have to write minus sign outside. Okay, minus sign outside. But here lower limit and upper limit are same, so it value is 0. So you know this formula, that is integration of f of x dx by property a to a, lower limit is equal to upper limit, it becomes 0. Okay, according this property it becomes 0. 0 has no sign, so don't write minus 0 here, it becomes 0, and this is the final answer. So the next question is evaluate integration of sec raised to 4x with respect to x from 0 to pi by 4. Instead of sec raised to 4x, we can evaluate integration of cosec raised to 4x also. Let's start the solution. Let the given integration become I. Now sec raised to 4x, the power 4 in terms of split in terms of 2 into 2 means sec square x into sec square x into dx from 0 to pi by 4. Now here this 1 sec square x keep as it is. This sec square x, first sec square x you have to write in terms of 1 plus tan square x. You have to call identity here. Note this step, integration of 1 plus tan square x, instead of this sec square you have to substitute its value. This sec square x is nothing but 1 plus tan square x, and this sec square, second sec square keep as it is with respect to x from 0 to pi by 4. Why? Because of derivative of tan x is sec square x. If you substitute t is equal to tan x, then this another function is dt, and you will get very simple form 1 plus t square, and that is integrable. Okay. So you have to substitute the value of sec square x in terms of 1 plus tan square x. Now put t is equal to tan x, therefore dt is equal to sec square x into dx. Again you have to find out lower limit and upper limit as related to t. When x is equal to 0, then lower limit t is equal to tan 0 is 0. When x is equal to pi by 4, then upper limit t is equal to tan pi by 4 is 1. So the given integration capital I become 1 plus t square into dt from 0 to 1, and it is a very simple form, integration of f of x plus g of x. Taking separate integration, you will get integration of 1 dt is t from 0 to 1, and integration of t square is nothing but t cube by 3 from 0 to 1. Now replace x by t, replace t by 1 here, minus t by 0, you will get 1 minus 1 t के जगह पे हम 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, 1 माइनस t के जगह पे 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, दिस प्लस कैरी एज इट इज. 1 cube, what is the value of 1 cube? It become 1, 1 by 3 minus 0 upon anything is 0. So 1 plus 1 by 3, and that is nothing but 4 by 3. This is the final answer. Okay, you can just practice of integration of cosec raised to 4x dx from 0 to pi by 4. A same thing is there. Next is evaluate integration of dx upon 3 plus 2 sin x plus cos x with respect to x from 0 to pi. Let the given integration is denoted by capital I, and you are familiar with one type here, a particular type of indefinite integration. We have integration of dx or 1 upon a plus b sin x plus c cos x. Okay, this type is very important in indefinite as well as definite integration. Okay, if lower and upper limit are not given, then it is indefinite, और सेम टाइप का क्वेश्चन डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन में आ सकता है. व्हाट आर द वैल्यूज ऑफ ए बी सी? हियर ए बी सी आर एनी रियल नंबर. तो इसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं, और हमने बनाए भी और आप अच्छे से पढ़ चुके हो उसे. एंगल 2x भी आता है इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन में. तो dx अपॉन a प्लस बी साइन एक्स प्लस सी कॉस एक्स, इसमें क्या करते हैं हम? व्हाट इज द सब्स्टिट्यूशन? हियर पुट t इज इक्वल टू tan x बाय 2 इफ इट इज साइन x एंड cos x अगर होगा तो. ओके, पुट t इज इक्वल टू tan x बाय 2. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ वी हैव फॉर्मूला sin x इज इक्वल टू 2 tan x बाय 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, and we have half angle formula of cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. ओके, और ये टाइप आपको अच्छे से पढ़ा है इनडेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन में. तो वापस इसमें हम रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. इफ इट इज 1 अपॉन और इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx अपॉन 3 और a प्लस बी साइन एक्स प्लस सी कॉस एक्स, इस तरीके से अगर होगा, यहाँ पे a के जगह पे 3 ले लिया, b is 2 and c is 1. मीन्स dx अपॉन 3 plus 2 sin x plus cos x, then put t is equal to tan x by 2 and directly you have to write the value of dx. What is dx? Twice dt upon 1 plus t square. ये कैसे निकाला है आपको डेफिनेट इनडेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन में पढ़ा चुके हैं, तो आप उसे चाहे तो वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं. नाउ अगेन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन एक्स एंड कॉस एक्स. यहाँ पर साइन एक्स एंड कॉस एक्स भी डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. साइन एक्स इक्वल टू 2t अपॉन 1 प्लस टी स्क्वेयर and cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. ओके, लेकिन यहाँ पर देखिए ये जीरो एंड अपर लिमिट रिलेटेड विथ x दिया है क्योंकि वेरिएबल, सॉरी यहाँ पे डबल dx आ गया, यहाँ पे हम 1 कर देंगे इसे, या 1 कर देंगे. ओके, 1 अपॉन, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे dx आ गया तो 1 अपॉन, राइट. तो कॉपी पेस्ट में वो इस तरीके से हो सकता है. सिमिलरली हियर, अभी यहाँ तो कट नहीं होगा, ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. तो यहाँ ये dx नहीं, यहाँ पे dx अपॉन टी. ओके, वो कॉपी पेस्ट में आ गया हो. नाउ दिस वन 0 and pi, this lower and upper limit are related with x. So you have to find out the lower limit and upper limit as related to new variable t. So you have to find out lower and upper limit in terms of t. When x equal to 0, then lower limit t is equal to tan 0 by 2, it becomes 0. When x equal to pi, then upper limit t is equal to tan pi upon 2, that is pi by 2 is infinity. यहाँ पे कुछ भी वैल्यू आने दो, हमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं उसमें. ओके, so the given integration capital I is equal to integration from 0 to infinity. What is lower limit? Here lower limit is 0, here 0, and upper limit you have to put infinity here at in place of upper limit. What is dx? Dx is twice dt upon 1 plus t square upon 3 as it is plus 2 sin x. What is sin x? Twice t upon 1 plus t square plus cos x. What is cos x? 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now you have to simplify this denominator by taking LCM and cross multiplication. It becomes integration from 0 to infinity of 2t upon 1 plus t square divided by, here what is the LCM here? The LCM is 1 plus t square, so multiply with this one. Each term means 3 into bracket 1 plus t square plus 4t plus 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Here 1 plus t square get cancelled. So and again see this 2 you have to write outside the integration sign. It become 2 into integration of dt upon 3. This you have to open this bracket. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3t square plus 4t plus 1 minus t square, right. Now here 3 plus 1 is become 4, and that is nothing but integration from 0 to infinity of dt upon 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 3t square minus 1t square, it becomes 2t square, and then plus 4t in this way. Then you have to write properly 2t square plus 4t plus 4. Okay, इस तरीके से आप इसे लिखेंगे. The next step will be 2 into integration of dt upon 2t square plus 4t plus 4, right, from 0 to infinity. Now taking 2 common from each term from denominator. Okay, तो इसे आ जाएगा 2 get cancelled, that is 2 upon 2 integration from dt of dt upon t square plus twice t plus 2 from 0 to infinity, and it is nothing but 1 upon quadratic form dx upon ax square plus bx plus c. Yes, it is correct, you are right. Just you have to apply completing square method, or this one is very simple, so you have to split 2 in terms of 1 plus 1. Okay, you must remember the method 1 upon quadratic, then you must apply completing square method. So here 2 to get cancelled, it is nothing but integration of dt upon t square plus twice t plus 1 plus 1. 2 को हमने यहाँ पे 1 plus 1 में स्प्लिट कर दिया, एंड ये 3 टर्म लेके हम ब्रैकेट बनाएंगे t स्क्वेयर प्लस ट्वाइस t प्लस 1 और 1 को अलग लिखेंगे, and that is nothing but integration of dt upon in bracket t square plus twice t plus 1 bracket complete plus 1, and this is nothing but perfect square form. It is nothing but integration of dt upon 1 plus t, sorry, t plus 1 or 1 plus t, you can write anyway, that is t plus 1 the whole square plus 1 square from 0 to infinity, and that is nothing but tan inverse t plus 1 because of we have one formula. यहाँ पर आपको फॉर्मूला लिख कर देता हूँ मैं, that is dx upon x square plus a square is nothing but tan inverse of x upon a 1 upon integration of dx upon x square plus a square is equal to 1 upon a into tan inverse of x upon a plus c. ओके, तो इस तरीके से ये यहाँ पर हम x इज इक्वल टू टी प्लस 1 ले लेंगे, दैट इज नथिंग बट tan इनवर्स ऑफ t प्लस 1 अपॉन 1 फ्रॉम 0 टू इन्फिनिटी, रिप्लेस t बाय इन्फिनिटी, दैट इज tan इनवर्स ऑफ इन्फिनिटी प्लस 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस tan इनवर्स ऑफ 0 प्लस 1 अपॉन 1, and that is nothing but infinity plus 1 is again infinity, infinity upon is means infinity, tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 1. What is tan inverse infinity? Pi by 2 minus pi by 4, and that is nothing but pi by 4. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 4, you must remember here. So sorry, pi by 2. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is become pi by 4. Now the next question is, next question, evaluate integration of sin 2x into tan inverse of sin x dx from 0 to pi by 2. Let the given integration is denoted by capital I. Again you have to observe this, it is tan inverse x form, okay, but here it is not x, it is sin x, right? So put t is equal to sin x, because of derivative of sin x is cos x and here it is sin 2x. What is sin 2x? By multiple angle formula 2 sin x into cos x. So first you have to substitute the value of sin 2x. What is sin 2x? 2 sin x into cos x into tan inverse of sin x with respect to x from 0 to pi by 2. Then put t is equal to sin x, therefore dt is equal to cos x dx, right? तो यहाँ देखिए ये cos x into dx ये आ जाएगा dt, then twice t tan inverse t आ जाएगा. It's very simple form, but you have to change the lower limit and upper limit in terms of as related to t. So when t x equal to 0, then the lower limit t is equal to sin 0 is 0. Also when x equal to pi by 2, then the upper limit t is equal to sin pi by 2 is 1. So the next step is capital I is equal to the given integration, capital I is equal to integration from 0 to 1 twice t into tan inverse t dt. और ये टाइप हम प्रीवियस वीडियो में यानी पार्ट थर्ड में पढ़ चुके, डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन का पार्ट थर्ड जो था यू इंटू वी पे जो क्वेश्चंस थे उसमें पढ़ चुके. नाउ हियर यू हैव टू अप्लाई लायट रूल बिकॉज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू फंक्शन हियर. टू ये टू तो बाहर लिख देंगे हम बिकॉज ऑफ इट इज कॉन्स्टेंट. हियर यू हैव टू राइट टू आउटसाइड द इंटीग्रेशन साइन, it become algebraic and inverse, and in Lyot rule inverse is first, so you have to interchange their places. So it become 2 into integration of tan inverse t into t dt from 0 to 1 by Lyot rule. Again you have to apply u into v formula by product rule. What is u into v? See, u into v is like this, u into v dx is equal to first function as it is integration of second minus integration bracket integration of second one into derivative of first one into okay, with respect to x, correct, with respect to x here. What is first? What is u? That is tan inverse t and t is equal to v. So according to this rule, u into v rule, it become 2 you have to write as it is, 2 into bracket tan inverse t into integration of v. What is v here? T dt minus integration bracket integration of t dt into derivative of first one, that is tan inverse t dt with respect to t. Okay, tan inverse t with respect to t, bracket complete, right, according this formula. ओके यहाँ पे u क्या है? tan इनवर्स t, v क्या है? मीन्स सेकेंड फंक्शन इज इंटीग्रेबल, तो यहाँ पे सेकेंड फंक्शन इंटीग्रेबल है, राइट, एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट वन tan इनवर्स t. तो ये फॉर्मूला हम अप्लाई कर चुके. नाउ द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट इज हियर, सी दिस टू कांस्टेंट यू हैव टू राइट एज इट इज, देन ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखना है बिकॉज ऑफ देयर आर टू टर्म्स, से माइनस साइन आ गया तो दो टर्म है करके इसे ब्रैकेट में कर दिया हमने, राइट. अब यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट क्या है? ये जो इंटीग्रेशन ले रहे हैं हम लोअर टू अपर लिमिट 0 to 1 कैरी कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे डबल इंटीग्रेशन दिख रहा है, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन, लेकिन लोअर एंड अपर लिमिट हम यहाँ फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेशन को अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, नॉट फॉर सेकेंड, नॉट फॉर दिस इनसाइड इंटीग्रेशन. ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो इंटीग्रेशन है उसको उसे हम लोअर एंड अपर लिमिट नहीं लिख रहे, इतना याद रखना है. अगर हम लोअर एंड अपर लिमिट लिखेंगे तो ये सभी क्वेश्चंस का एक कांस्टेंट नंबर आ जाएगा, वॉट एवर मे बी 3, 4, 5 कुछ भी आ सकता है यहाँ पे. ओके, तो हर एक का सेम टाइप आ जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे इतना याद रखना है, फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेशन का लोअर एंड अपर लिमिट लिखना है. और एक स्टेप याद रखना है, यहाँ पे जो हमने जो दिया है लोअर एंड अपर लिमिट फॉर सेकेंड इंटीग्रेशन एंड लोअर एंड अपर लिमिट 0 to 1, ये है रिलेटेड विथ टी. अगर हम खाली इसे ब्रैकेट करके लिखेंगे तो लास्ट आंसर टी में आ जाएगा, एंड दैट इज रॉन्ग प्रोसेस. सो देखिए नेक्स्ट स्टेप भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट बिकम 2, ओके, 2 यहाँ पे, एक मिनट, 2 यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं हम, 2, राइट, 1/2. सी 2 into bracket tan inverse t into what is integration of t dt, t square by 2 from 0 to 1, right, from 0 to 1 minus 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा यहाँ पे 2 minus 2 into integration of 2 into integration of what is integration of t, t square by 2 into derivative of tan inverse t is 1/1 plus t square dt. ओके, 1/1 plus t square dt. तो यहाँ पर देखिए ये 2 गेट कैंसिल हो जाएगा, राइट, 2 गेट कैंसिल हियर, this 2 and this 2 get cancel, this 2 and 2 get cancel. Okay, 2 to get cancel here, it become यहाँ पे 2 एज इट इज लिया, कैंसिल किया नहीं, ठीक है. 2 into bracket tan inverse t into 1 square by 2 minus tan inverse 0 into 0 square by 2, replace t by 1 minus t by 0 minus half. ओके, सी प्रीवियस स्टेप देखते हैं हम. हाँ, माइनस हाफ, यहाँ पे एक्चुअली 2 था, 2 कैंसिल हो गया, राइट, दिस 2 गेट कैंसल, क्योंकि ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर जा रहा है, 2 गेट कैंसल या माइनस हाफ नहीं आएगा, दैट इज नथिंग बट now this minus half get cancel here. Okay, now t square upon integration of t square upon 1 plus t square from 0 to 1. Now what is the value of tan inverse? नहीं, यह ब्रैकेट के बाहर 2 लिख दिया तो यह हाफ एज इट इज आएगा, राइट, ब्रैकेट के बाहर 2 है, तो प्रीवियस वाला स्टेप मिस्टेक था, ओके, राइट, करेक्ट, 2 बाहर लिख दिया यहाँ पे, हाफ एज इट इज है. Now what is the value of tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4 into half minus 0. Now you have to observe this, it is quadratic upon quadratic in terms of t, so you have to add and subtract 1 here at numerator. It's very simple form. ये बहुत बार पढ़ा चुके हैं हम, क्वाड्रेटिक अपॉन क्वाड्रेटिक होगा एंड इट इज द डिनोमिनेटर containing only two terms, square and constant number, so you have to adjust numerator in terms of denominator, that is add and subtract 1. So it become 2 into bracket pi by 4 into half minus 0 minus half into bracket into integration of 1 plus t square minus 1 upon 1 plus t square bracket complete. Okay, now it become 2 into bracket pi by 8. See, pi by 4 into half is pi by 8 minus half into bracket यहाँ पर अभी हमने ब्रैकेट क्यों लिखा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्प्लिट कर रहे हैं हम 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर, स्प्लिट करने के बाद टेकिंग सेपरेट इंटीग्रेशन इस तरीके से ले लिया. नाउ हियर 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर गेट कैंसल हियर, दैट इज 1 dx. ओके, वो आ जाएगा 1 dt आ जाएगा, दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन 2. अभी यहाँ पे 2 ओपन कर दिया हमने, दिस 2 एंड दिस 2 गेट कैंसल, हाफ कॉमन लेके, दैट इज पाई बाय 4 माइनस इंटू ब्रैकेट t, व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 dt, t minus this is tan inverse t from 0 to 1. Now replace t by 1 minus t by 0, that is nothing but pi by 4 minus 1 minus tan inverse 1 minus 0 minus tan inverse 0 is again 0, that is 1 minus pi by 4. इस तरीके से है, मीन्स pi by 4 minus 1 माइनस माइनस बिकम प्लस पाई बाय 4. और एक स्टेप ज़्यादा लिखते हैं हम, दैट इज पाई बाय 4 माइनस इंटू ब्रैकेट 1 माइनस पाई बाय 4 माइनस 0 एंड जस्ट यू हैव टू ओपन द ब्रैकेट पाई बाय 4 माइनस 1 प्लस पाई बाय 4 एंड दैट इज नथिंग बट पाई बाय 2 माइनस 1, दैट्स इट. ओके, बीच में एक स्टेप में 2 छूट गया था, वहाँ पे 2 इंटू करना है बस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 6 is evaluate integration of dx upon 5 plus 4 sin x. ओके, ये वापस dx एज इट इज कैरी हो गया, इट्स ओके. dx नहीं चाहिए यहाँ पे, dx upon 5 plus 4 sin x from 0 to pi by 2. Here also you have to apply same procedure, put t is equal to tan x by 2, then answer is 2 by 3 tan inverse 1 by 3, that's it. Okay, now question number 7. 6 अब ट्राई करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, इवेलुएट cos x upon 1 plus sin x into bracket 2 plus sin x into dx from 0 to pi by 2. यहाँ पर वापस बोल रहे हैं हम, तो ये dx 2 टाइम्स आएगा, यहाँ पे 1 चाहिए था. ओके, 1 चाहिए, या ये dx कैंसिल कर दो. नाउ यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दिस, अगर हम यहाँ पे साइन एक्स अगर t लेते तो इट बिकम डी टी अपॉन 1 प्लस टी इंटू ब्रैकेट 2 प्लस टी आ जाएगा. ओके, सिंपल फॉर्म. लेट द गिवन इंटीग्रेशन बिकम आई, डिनोटेड बाय आई, मीन्स लेट आई इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 to pi by 2 of cos x upon 1 plus sin x into bracket 2 plus sin x into dx. It put t is equal to sin x, therefore dt is equal to cos x dx. When t x is equal to 0, then lower limit t is equal to sin 0 is 0. Also when t x is equal to pi by 2, then upper limit t is equal to sin pi by 2 is 1. So the given integration capital I will be dt upon in bracket 1 plus t into second bracket 2 plus t. Now you have to observe this, it is u upon v form, integration of u upon v form, but the denominator is product of two linear factor, two linear polynomials. Okay, so you have to apply partial fraction method. You can open this, then you can apply complete square method. Better you have to apply partial fraction method. What is partial fraction method? Consider 1 upon 1 plus t into bracket 2 plus t is equal to a upon first factor plus b upon second factor. Suppose this is equation number 1. Here capital A and capital B are arbitrary constant. You have to find out a and b. Okay, so you have to simplify this RHS side. by taking LCM and cross multiplication, it become a into bracket 2 plus t plus b into bracket 1 plus t upon product of denominator. Now here denominator of LHS and RHS are similar, both get cancelled, then it become 1 is equal to a into bracket 2 plus t plus b into bracket 1 plus t. This is equation number 2. For finding a, put 1 plus t is 0. So you will get t is equal to minus 1. You have to substitute in equation number 2. So 1 is equal to a into bracket 2 minus 1 plus b into bracket 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? This becomes 0. So here 2 minus 1 is how much? 1, means 1 is equal to 1 into a plus 0. So a is equal to 1. Also put t plus 2 or 2 plus t is 0 for finding b, that is t is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. You will get 1 is equal to, here the coefficient of a is 0 plus b into bracket 1 minus 2, that is b is nothing but minus 1. See, 1 is equal to minus b, so b is equal to minus 1. These values means a, the value of a and b substituted in equation number 1. So equation 1 become 1 upon 1 plus t into bracket 2 plus t is equal to 1 upon 1 plus t plus minus 1 upon 2 plus t. Now taking integration on both sides, you will get integration of LHS from 0 to 1 with respect to t is here, not dx. You must write dt is equal to integration of RHS with respect to t from 0 to 1. And RHS is very simple form. It is u plus v form. ये minus आ जाएगा, minus u minus v form. Then taking separate integration, that is integration of 1 upon 1 plus t into dt from 0 to 1 minus 1 upon or dt upon 2 plus t from 0 to 1. And both are in log form. So the given integration I is equal to log of 1 plus t from 0 to 1 minus log of 2 plus t, mod में लिखना है उसे, from 0 to 1. Then replace t by 1 minus t by 0. So log of 1 plus 1 minus log of 1 minus, यहाँ पर देखिए जहाँ पर t होगा वहाँ पे 1 डाल रहे हैं हम. ओके, log of 1 plus 1 minus log of 1 plus 0, ये माइनस एन एज इट इज कैरी करें हम. That is log of 2 plus 1 minus log of 2 plus 0. And see what is this? Log of 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 1, right? See, ये पहला ब्रैकेट आ जाएगा log 2 plus minus log 1 minus into bracket log 3 minus log 2. Okay, what is the value of log 1? Log 1 is 0. So it become log 2 minus 0 minus log 3 plus log 2, means log 2 plus log 2 is log 2 times log 2, 2 times log 2, correct? See, log 2 plus log 2, 2 times log 2. And what is 2 times log 2? Log 2 square, that is log 4 minus log 3. 2 times log 2 minus 0 minus log 3, and 2 times log 2 is nothing but log 2 square, that is log 4 minus log 3, and that is nothing but log of 4 by 3. That is the final answer. Okay. Now the next question is evaluate integration of sec square x upon 3 tan square x plus 4 tan x plus 1 with respect to x from 0 to pi by 4. Again it is by substitution method. Put t is equal to tan x. Okay. So you will get dt upon 3t square, and you have to find out lower and upper limit in terms of t. When x equal to 0, the lower limit t is equal to tan 0 is 0. When x equal to pi by 4, then upper limit t is equal to tan pi by 4 is 1. So the given integration capital I is equal to dt upon 3t square plus 4t plus 1 from 0 to 1. Again it is quadratic form, 1 upon quadratic. See, integration of 1 upon means dx upon ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, 1 upon quadratic. So first you make a coefficient of x square is t, x square, coefficient of x square is 1, इसे 1 करना है. Then by add and subtract, हाफ इंटू कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x द होल स्क्वायर इन दिस केस. अगर t वेरिएबल होगा तो हाफ इंटू add and subtract half into coefficient of t the whole square, right? So taking 3 common from denominator polynomial, it become 1 upon 3 from 1 upon 3 into integration of 1 upon t square plus 4 by 3 into t plus 1 by 3 into dt from 0 to 1. Now add and subtract half into what is the coefficient of t here, 4 by 3 the whole square. Here 2 to get cancelled, this 2 and 2 get cancelled, that is 2 by 3 is remaining. 2 by 3 the whole square is nothing but 4 by 9. You have to add this 4 by 9 and subtract 4 by 9. Okay, add this 4 by 9 and subtract 4 by 9, right, and make a bracket with these 3 terms, and adding of these 2 means subtract of 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3, that is nothing but 1 by 3 into integration of dt or 1 upon t plus 2 by 3 the whole square minus 1 by 3 the whole square. Okay, see here the subtraction 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3, 4 by 9. What is the LCM here? It becomes 9. LCM is 9. So 3 minus 4, that is nothing but minus 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 9 is nothing but 1 by 3 the whole square, and that is nothing but integration of dx upon x square minus a square form. Okay, and it is standard integration. So here it is nothing but 1 upon 3 into 1 upon twice a, what is a? 1 by 3. Okay, 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 into a. See, we have the formula. See, we have integration of dx upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon twice a into log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. What is a here? A is equal to 1 by 3 and x is equal to t plus 2 by 3. Okay, so according this result, you will get 1 by 3 into 1 upon 2 into a. What is a? 1 by 3 into log of x minus a means t plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 upon x plus a, that is t plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 from 0 to 1. अब इसे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे हम. हियर दिस इज नथिंग बट ये आ जाएगा 2 by 3, इसे ऊपर लिखेंगे हम 3 by 2 आ जाएगा, 3 3 गेट कैंसल, 1 by 2 आ जाएगा, एंड टेकिंग एलसीएम एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हियर, दैट इज नथिंग बट 1 by 3 into 2 by 3, 3 by 2 into log of 3t plus 2 minus 1 upon 3t plus 2 plus 1 from 0 to 1. Here 3 3 get cancelled, that is 1 by 2 log of 3t plus 1 upon 3t plus 3 from 0 to 1. Then replace t by 1. You will get half into bracket log of 3 into 1 plus 1 upon 3 into 1 plus 3 minus log of 3 into 0 plus 1 upon 3 into 0 plus 3, and that is nothing but log of 4 by 6 minus log of 1 by 3, and again you have to apply log m minus log n formula, and that is nothing but log m upon it means log m. See, I want to show you log m minus log n is equal to log of m upon n. So divided by this 1 by 3, and divided means multiply taking reciprocal. Multiplying and taking reciprocal means half into log of 2 by 3 into 3 by 1. Here 3 3 get cancelled, that is log 2 means half into log 2. This is final answer, or you have to write, you have to apply n times log n property. What is this n times log m? That is log m raised to n. So log 2 raised to half, that is nothing but log under root 2. Okay, log under root 2. And if both are equivalent steps, these two steps are equivalent. ओके, टेक्स्ट में ये आंसर दिया है, आप इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, बोथ आर इक्वेलेंट, राइट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, दिस इज फॉर प्रैक्टिस. इवैल्यूएट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sec square x upon 2 tan square x plus 4 tan x plus 1 from 0 to pi by 4 with respect to x. Okay, put t is equal to tan x and the final answer is 2 upon root 2 upon 4 into log of 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus root 2. Okay, just you practice this. Now the last question from your text of exercise 4.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड का लास्ट क्वेश्चन चल रहा है हमारा. इवेलुएट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन क्यूब एक्स इंटू ब्रैकेट 1 plus 2 cos x इंटू ब्रैकेट 1 plus cos x the whole square into dx from 0 to pi by 2. Let the given integration is denoted by capital I. Again it is multiplication of three functions. Okay, but it's very simple. यहाँ पर अगर हम साइन क्यूब को अगर साइन स्क्वेयर एक्स इंटू साइन एक्स लिखते, what is sin square x? 1 minus cos square x. if t is equal to cos x तो डायरेक्ट t में आ जाता है आंसर. ओके, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. इज इक्वल टू साइन क्यूब इज नथिंग बट, ये साइन देखो, दिस ब्रैकेट एंड दिस टर्म इज ऑल्सो कीप एज इट इज. साइन क्यूब को हम स्प्लिट करेंगे साइन एक्स इंटू साइन स्क्वेयर एक्स, राइट. व्हाट इज साइन स्क्वेयर एक्स? 1 minus cos square x into, see, rearrange the terms. Sin square x is nothing but 1 minus cos square x into bracket 1 plus 2 cos x into 1 plus cos x the whole square into sin x cos x. Integration from 0 to pi by 2. Put t is equal to cos x. So sin x dx is minus dt. If you have to apply substitution method, then you have to find out lower limit and upper limit as related to new variable t. When x equal to 0, therefore lower limit t is equal to cos 0 is 1, and when x is equal to, also when x is equal to pi by 2, then upper limit t is equal to cos pi by 2 is 0. Okay, here lower limit is 1, upper limit is 0 आ रहा है, right. So the given integration will be capital I is equal to 1 minus cos x, या एज इट इज लिखा हमने क्योंकि यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन आ जाएगा. व्हाट इज साइन एक्स इंटू डी एक्स माइनस डी टी आएगा. ओके, क्योंकि प्रीवियस स्लाइड दिखाई नहीं देगी हमें, करके ऐसे लिख रहे. सो इट बिकम इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 1 to 0. यहाँ पे लोअर लिमिट क्या होता है? ऑलवेज स्मॉलर देन अपर लिमिट, लेकिन यहाँ माइनस डी टी आ रहा है तो हम माइनस साइन बाहर लिखेंगे. एंड वी हैव वन प्रॉपर्टी, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f of x dx from a to b is equal to minus integration of f of x dx from b to a. Okay, अगर हम साइन चेंज कर रहे हैं then upper limit become lower and lower limit become upper by using the property. So it become integration of 1 minus t square into 1 plus twice t into 1 plus t the whole square into dt from 0 to 1. माइनस साइन चला गया बिकॉज ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ यू हैव टू ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट. सबसे पहले हम ये दो ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे, देन साइमल्टेनियसली इसे एक्सपांड करेंगे. यू विल गेट 1 प्लस, सी, 1 into 1 it become 1, then 1 into twice t plus twice t minus t square into 1 that is minus t minus t square into twice t that is minus twice t cube. ये इसका एक्सपांशन हो गया. ओके, नाउ 1 plus t the whole square by using a plus b the whole square formula, 1 square plus twice t plus t square into dt. ओके, तो इस तरीके से ये ब्रैकेट हम ओपन कर चुके. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज जस्ट अगेन यू हैव टू ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट, क्योंकि इसमें एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम. सो यू हैव टू ओपन बोथ द ब्रैकेट्स हियर. दैट इज नथिंग बट, सी, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज हियर. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into twice t is twice t, 1 into t square is t square, 1 का काम हो गया अभी. twice t into 1 is twice t, then twice t into twice t is 4t square, twice t into t square, that is 2t cube. Then again multiply with minus t square with this bracket and minus 2t cube with this bracket, you will get, see, you will get 1 प्लस ट्वाइस टी प्लस टी स्क्वेयर, यहाँ पे टी स्क्वेयर कैंसिल हो रहा है, माइनस 2t क्यूब प्लस 2t क्यूब, similar but opposite terms get cancelled. After simplifying you will get this term. Okay, now it's very simple form. It is 1 plus power t का power यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, then cube, then raised to 4, raised to 5. Now taking separate integration, it's very simple form. It is x raised to integration of x raised to n form. So by taking separate integration, it become integration of 1 dt plus इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 4t dt फ्रॉम 0 to 1, इस तरीके से सेपरेट इंटीग्रेशन ले लिया हमने. देन इट इज़ नथिंग बट t प्लस 4 इंटू टी स्क्वेयर बाई 2 प्लस दिस 4 एज इट इज़ प्लस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ टी स्क्वेयर इज टी क्यूब बाई 3 minus 2 keep as it is, integration of t cube is nothing but t raised to 4 by 4 minus 5 into t raised to 5 by 5 minus 2 into t raised to 6 by 6 from 0 to 1. अभी जहाँ पर t होगा वहाँ पे 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, दैट इज रिप्लेस t by upper limit minus t by lower limit. Okay, then after simplifying you will get 2 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Taking LCM and cross multiplication, the final answer is 15 by 6. ओके, यहाँ पर हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 4.2 का पूरा कवर किया है. ओके, ऑल क्वेश्चंस ये वीडियो में कवर कर चुके. नेक्स्ट इसमें प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन पढ़ने वाले हम. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. फिर उसके बाद प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड ऑन properties.